Breville BES840XL the Infuser Espresso Machine. In this video I'm going to answer some of the most frequently asked questions, and I am going to show you where to get a discount for this Breville Espresso Machine. So let's begin. One of the most frequently asked questions, it's cord length. How long or short is the cord? From the back of the unit to the beginning of the ring pull on the plug, the BES840XL Infuser measures 41 inches. After the shot is pulled, how long does it take for the steamer to steam the milk? I've started steaming the milk before I pull the shot, so it's ready when the coffee is ready. Either way, the steam is ready right after you pull the shot, and the water is ready for the shot right when you're done pulling, steaming, and clean the wand. Another tip I found is that having the machine on long enough to heat up the cup warmer on the top and the group head helps it to be fully up to temperature and get consistent results. What's in the box? The BES840XL Infuser includes milk frothing jug, dual wall filter baskets, 1 cup and 2 cup, single wall filter baskets, 1 cup and 2 cup, razor closing tool, razor dosing tool, coffee scoop, water filter holder, cleaning tool, 2 cleaning tablets, 1 cleaning disc, 1 Allen wrench, instruction book, and a quick start guide. Right below this video, you will find a link to a website where you can save up to 38% on the Breville BES840XL Espresso Machine. I hope you enjoyed this video.